How to choose who can do it with your videos TikTok or your TikTok videos on TikTok, of course. Today guys, I will show you how to choose this. Just watch this video until the end. Make sure that you like this video, also subscribe in our channel. So let's start. First you will just go to TikTok, then open it, and as you everyone know, when you open TikTok it's open directly on home. You will just go here on your profile. Then when you open your profile, you will go here on this three line, then go to settings and privacy. Then when you open setting and privacy, you will go to privacy, and then on privacy guys, you will just go to Duo. Then here you can choose who can do it with your videos TikTok, like everyone or followers that you follow back, or just only me. And that's it guys, I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next.